But within Microsoft Office 365, can use an actual sort formula. It's a dynamic formula. So obviously I could pick this data and go sort, and it'll open up this, and I can sort that data using this. But within XLOOKUP, it gives you a sort formula. So before we look at an example, look at the fields we use on it. So array is the array of data, it's the data you want sorted. And then there's 3 optional fields. The sort index is the number indicating the row or column to sort by. The sort order is where you tell it ascending or descending. Right? And then your by column is where you specify whether you want to sort by row or sort by column. So I want here in this example, I want to return this list sorted by largest sales first. How I do that is I open up the sort formula, I select all this data here, and then my sort index is the number indicating the row or column to sort by. So the second row, I want to sort by row, so I want to sort by row number 2, product sales. And I want it to return the largest value first and then work its way down. So I want it to do this -1 descending. And then I sorting by column or sorting by row. Well, I want it to be sorted by each row. I want the largest row, 1848, to be on the top and work downwards. So in this instance, I want to select false because I want it sorted by row. And then you will see that it'll instantly return this list sorted by a row.